Only such people will have the right of falah. They will be successful, declared as successful on the day of judgment. The invisible real foundation, the iman in the heart, summa lam yartabu, without any doubts, conviction, yaqeen. Then the attestation, verbal attestation. Then the four pillars of worship. Then the first roof of Islam, ita'ah, taqwa, and ibadah. Then the second roof of tabligh, of da'wah, of amr bil ma'ruf nahi anil munkar. And the sum total, shahada ala nas. There are other terms also. Waaz, nasiha, ta'aleem, tabyin. At this level there are so many other terms also, but I am restricting my presentation with these four. Just as the four at the first roof, these four at the second.